7:20 on Friday the 15th. We are going to Malamala Beach Club today, which is an awesome island that comes and picks you up, ferries you out there for the day. It's got a lot of different things like snorkeling, kayaking, food, relaxation, and then they bring you back at night. So it's kind of like a day trip, and it's got great reviews. So hopefully it's a good time. Well, that was scary. I almost left my phone on the bus and all this footage would have been gone. So Michelle and I are on a fairly large catamaran called the Panther, heading out to Malamala Beach Club.
To Malamala Beach Club. This vessel is secure.
So we are disembarking the boat right now. Thank you. Oh, look at that. This is the picturesque long walkway. Bula. Kind of cool. There's the boat behind us. Amazing reef going on here. Definitely gonna get some free diving in. These are the kayaks. Looks like they have quite a few. You got your beach chairs right here. Looks like there's gonna be a little welcoming party. I can hear the techno music already.
We gotta get that on video.
Hola! And this is gonna be our home for the day. Cabana number 4. Whew. Walking around, scouting out the island, and I gotta say, I'm pretty impressed. There's not that many people here, so it does kind of give you this like you're on a private island by yourself feel, especially if you do the cabanas the way we did. We're just kind of excluded from everyone in a way. Like there's maybe 2 people on either side of us, and it's very intimate, very intimate. So just got done with an awesome drone flight here at Malamala Beach Club. No restrictions on drones, so I did a little flight around the island and then a quick shot over it, making sure not to get, over anyone. Gorgeous reef surrounding. They gave us a phone so that we can call our personal, I don't know, I guess they call him a butler. And he's bringing us drinks right now, actually. Michelle and I just finished an awesome snorkel here at Malamala Beach Club. There's some really cool, almost like a drop-off once you get out there. It's super shallow on the way out, so definitely recommend actually walking down the pier over there, and you can jump off the end of the pier. You'll see that kind of in the end of the video. We came out over this super shallow reef here, and we found just little passages till we got to the end of the reef where the drop-off is. And I was able to free dive down at least 20 feet and see some really cool things, some really big fish hanging out on the outside of the reef in the deep water. Michelle and I are taking a walk over to the bar area and the pool. The wind's picked up quite a bit. Got some waves breaking. I wonder how the visibility is still. I mean, it's not like there's any rivers or anything flowing into the water. One Fijian dollar is 0.42 American dollars. So it's almost like you get 2 Fijian dollars for every American dollar. So maybe $1.20. I suck at math. It's like $2.40 for every dollar in American here. Oh man, that wind is definitely picking up in the afternoon. Well, I'll tell you, if you're staying hydrated here, you're definitely going to want to hit the bathrooms. What's really cool about the bathrooms is it's a unisex bathroom, and it has some cool showers so that after you go in the ocean, you can shower off. As you see behind me, these are the latrines, and nothing special here. Closed door. Pretty cool, man. Why aren't all bathrooms unisex like this? They have all these plants on either side of these trails, and if you want to walk on the trail, it'll take you back to a concrete path. Lots of hammocks everywhere for you to lay. Pretty cool day here at the Malamala Beach Club. Really surprised with the amount of kids that are here. I guess it's really just a family-friendly location. You hear club and you think everybody's going to be dancing, but realistically, I haven't seen anybody dancing here. There's some really good danceable techno music, but no dance floor. I really enjoyed the snorkeling earlier. One of the key things that you have to do is jump off of the pier where the boat docks. They let you jump off when the boat's not there. And it's just a really good way to start your snorkel. Jump off the dock, you'll be in deep water. You don't have to worry about how shallow the reef is. And come on, man, dock jumping. Oh, here goes nothing. Trying to vlog every last bit of this as the day's ending. We have about an hour left on Malamala Beach Club. This would be a perfect time to subscribe if you haven't already. And if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. It really is the best way to support this channel and to see the next video when it comes out. They have a deal if you want to come back the next day. It's like, I don't know, half price or whatever. But definitely recommend it. If you guys are bored in Nadi, come out to Malamala Beach Club. It is not a bad time. So we got on the wrong bus, and yeah, at least they're gonna drop us off at our hotel. But one thing I would recommend is make sure to ask the bus driver if he's going to your resort, because I guess we're breaking some rules.